Hello friends, it's Sherry from Turquoise Dreaming. I'm in a different area of my house today. I want to show you what I found at a thrift store today. A thrifted treasure here. It is a quilt. That's my dryer going in the background. I'm about to put this quilt in my washing machine, so I'm just wanted to spread it out. So it's I spread it out on the floor in between my dining room and kitchen here, and I just wanted to share. I mean, I got this quilt at a thrift store. I've never really found this. I've found them before, but not this size, like a bigger one. Regular, it could fit on maybe a twin size bed, but I would use it as a, on the end of the bed as a decoration and kind of a backup quilt if I keep it. My original thought was to sell it in my Etsy, but then as I got it home and realized how pretty it is, I'm thinking I might keep it. So anyway, I wanted to share. It's got these strips, as you can see, the solid strips, and then it's got these pieced strips. Let me show you that fabric, because I'm not a quilt expert. I don't know if this is any certain pattern, these little squares like this. And I don't know if this is feed sack fabric or just, I know that people that make quilts, especially a long time ago, used to just make it out of their like old clothes and things like that. So I don't know if anything about this. It was, like I said, found at a thrift store, so I don't know the history of it, but I just thought it was beautiful when I opened it up here at home and wanted to share. And let me show you the back of it. The back is one solid piece of fabric, so let me just flip it over. Here's the back. It's this brown plaid, like it's got a brown and I don't know if you can see it in the camera, kind of a bluish. Wait, I think I have one more light I can turn on. Hold on. There we go. That might be better. Anyway, maybe it's grayish, brown and grayish there on the plaid, a little bit of yellow. So anyway, I think it's really pretty. And I'm about to throw it in the washer, and I have one more thing to show you, so I'll be right back. Hey guys, I'm back to show you one more thing before I put this one in the washer. I picked it up and I noticed the stitching here. I would think that looks like hand stitching on this quilt. Pretty incredible, right? Like I said, I'm not a quilt expert, but if you know anything about quilts, maybe you can tell me more about it if you're a quilt expert. But it looks like, I know there's a lot of quilting machines these days and different ways of quilting. So when I saw these stitches, I thought I need to come back and show these so that someone that may know more about quilting can tell me. Like, here's the little squares, and they're apparently sewn together underneath, but there is some of that stitching, see, through the squares. And then these strips, these long strips that are the same solid type of fabric, have that stitching all through them. So anyway, feel free to let me know any wisdom and knowledge you have about quilts, about this stitching, and I'll be back. I have one more thing to show you. Okay, I am back, and feast your eyes on this beauty. Yes, I found two quilts. I couldn't believe it. They were on a rack there at the thrift store, and I couldn't believe that they were there. Like, why didn't somebody already buy these? Why are they here? You know what I mean? So I felt very lucky to have been at the right place at the right time for me. Anyway, I think they're beautiful. And look at the colors. The back, like base color, this like rosy pink color, and then the tan, and then the stars. Okay, so I know these were owned by the same person, because let me show you the back. It's the same fabric as the other one. Of course, I found them at the same store, so it makes sense. But I want to show you the colors of the stars. You can see the background. There's some blue. See how these over here have the tan stripes, over here have some blue. and then blue all the way up. And there's blue on the, see the corner here, and all of this is tan all up here. And then all the stars. Okay, so is there a pattern in the stars? Not really. I would say, are any two of them the same? No, I don't think any two are the same, although they're very similar in color. So over here, there's more blue. It seems like a brighter blue is used in some of these. And more burgundy. Well, there's two burgundy pieces here, one burgundy there. There's a pretty pinky color down there. There's a little pinky down there. Let's see, there's a piece of burgundy over there and over there. Some of that pink over there in the corner. Anyway, my point is there's more of this bright blue in these three. These three seem to be brighter. I don't know, there's bright blue in that one too, but no burgundy. Anyway, it's just kind of fascinating, the colors. But look at this one down here. It's totally different. Like she ran out of, you know, fabric or something, and here's the burgundy. Some different burgundy, I believe, but still. Let me get up close. Burgundy with little polka dots on it. And the red, there's some red there, different reds. But this square is different, and I think that's pretty cool. As far as, you know, in the junk journaling world, we're kind of always challenging ourselves to use what we have. And this quilter did not panic. When she ran out of fabric, she used what she had right here to finish it off. And I just really think it's, you know, it's one of a kind, of course. And it makes it even more special that it has one different square. So anyway, as far as the shape and condition, there was something here. The other one was perfect. Let me see what I saw here. Now, I haven't washed this one yet. I saw a little wear down here, I guess is what it is. Yeah, there's some wear right here, along this edge. There's some wear there, and maybe this one's older, I don't know. There's some wear right there, and something right here, like a little bit of a lighter spot, like maybe it got some bleach on it or something, I don't know, you know. There's something right there that's a little bit of a starting to rip right there. But I will take care of this delicately, wash this delicately probably, and maybe by hand. And yeah, I mean, I'll either keep it or put it in my shop. I love this one too. It would be great to fold it up. These type of quilts that have maybe a little wear like that are great for just folding up and putting at the end of your bed. You know what I mean? If you want that look in your room, in your bedroom, a farmhouse kind of look, you just fold it up and put it across the end of your bed, and it looks beautiful. Nobody even sees the wear spots. I actually have another one like that I bought when I first moved to North Carolina around 2000 or 2001. I keep it at the end of my bed, and I actually got it at a yard sale for $5. Yeah, that's right. I'm not showing you that one right now. I can't go get it right now, but it's green and white and it's beautiful. So I love it for $5. It was worth it. And I actually use it for a backup kind of blanket. If I get cold, I'll pull it up. So, and it does have some wear on it, but I got it for $5. So anyway, I wanted to share my little treasures with you today. So hope you enjoyed it. Feel free to share any quilting information you might know about quilts like this and the stitches. This one has that same type of stitches, you know, right here, and in the middle of the, you know, the stars. So yep, pretty cool. Thanks for watching today. I'll see you next time. Happy thrifting and happy crafting.